Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2015 Honda CB500F. This lightweight twin cylinder just arrived with only 28,000 miles. Beautiful condition. It's got the mini windscreen, hand guards, engine guards. Wait till you hear that awesome sounding Two Brothers exhaust. Runs beautifully. It's also got a GV rack, so you can just buy the top case and throw it right on. Come on by, take advantage of this low price CB500 for your commute or cruising around the Bay Area for just $47.99. We have financing, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, or at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.